So this is the setup for using the Taino font, Taino writing system. First of all, the keyboard has to be set up with the little stickers. These little stickers have the actual symbols so that you know what key you're supposed to press. The other thing we have to do is we have to change the font in the word processing app. In this case, I'm using Microsoft Word. You can see here that it's set on Times News Roman, so that has to be changed. So I've already downloaded the Taino font, and it's already in my computer, and there it is, right there. That's the Taino font right there. It's in the T's right underneath Time News Roman. It's Taino. Okay, so we click on that so that we are on the font called Taino 2. That's the name of the font, Taino 2. Now we can start writing. Let's say we want to write the word Baba. We have to pick the consonant B accompanied by the vowel knob on top. When the vowel knob is on top, you have an A sound. If the vowel knob is on the right hand side, you have an E. So this would be Ba, and this would be Be. This would be when the vowel knob is on the bottom, it's B. When the vowel knob is on the left, it's Bo. And finally, the way that you express the syllable boo would be with the B consonant with no vowel knob, followed by an U vowel. Okay? So let's say Baba. That would be this. That means that we have to press the Shift key first so that we can use the top symbol. If we click this just with no Shift key, we'll get the bottom symbol, which is a G, and we don't want that. We want the B, which is the one on top, and that's B combined with the vowel knob on top. That's Ba. So let's press the Shift key, and then there it is, Ba. We want to do it again because the word is Baba, which means father in the Taino language. So let's do that again. Baba. That's the word Baba. Let's say we want to now write the word Guaraguao. That's a little bit more complicated. It has a lot of syllables. So first we have to find the sound G. So we actually have to write the G consonant by itself with an U vowel. Right? So the G consonant by itself looks like this. It's a glyph that represents a spider to represent the sound from the word guaba, which is a spider. So that's a spider. Okay, now there's a diphthong coming up. A diphthong is a blend of vowels. Wa. For guaraguao, it's gu, wa, ra, wow. So this diphthong, wa, is expressed in this way. This is the glyph, the symbol for the diphthong wa. That's two sounds, u, ah. The u sound is represented by a little square, and the ah sound is represented by a little circle that's inside the square on the upper quadrant. If it were on the right-hand quadrant inside the square, then it would be ue. If it would be on the lower quadrant of the square, it would be we. And if it would be in the left quadrant of the square, it would be wo. But it isn't any of those. It's wa. So the little circle has to be on the upper quadrant of the little square, inside the little square. All right. So now we got gua, gwa. Okay. So after gua, we need the R sound, ra, guara. So the R is a symbol for a star, which is the way that we start the word rakuno, which is one of the four stars, rakuno. And it has its own little vowel knob on top. So there's a star with a vowel knob. Now we have guara. Okay, guara. Guara. Okay, now guao. Again, we'll go back to the G. Standalone G. Another wa. Remember guara, guao. So it's another wa sound. So gua, ra, gua. And then finally, we have to end it with an O vowel, standalone O vowel. The standalone O vowel looks like this. Guaraguao. Guara, gua, ra, guao. Gua, ra, guao. Guaraguao. That's a hawk.